Welcome to NPDtech by Agile Chile, cloud software for forward-thinking NPD and food technical teams that helps you grow your food business faster. This video will take you through how to navigate the software. We're looking at the homepage screen, which you arrive at just after you've logged in. It's made up of module tiles that gives you access to different parts of the software. There are two special module tiles, the calendar tile and the comment stream, which brings together comments from all over the software, keeping you up to date with progress. Let's go into one of the module tiles, the ingredients tile. This view happens to show you a complete list of all the ingredients that you've added to the system. There are other views. They are all accessed behind this menu at the top. Inside the overview menu, you can see we have one that is targeted at helping you identify allergens. So let's click and have a look in there. This is a list of all the ingredients, specifically showing you the allergen list. We can use the filters at the top to allow us to identify all those ingredients that have nuts as one of their allergens. Let's go back to the all ingredients view. There are other ways of filtering. Sometimes in the views you will get a checkbox, which will allow you to filter by specific types. This is now showing us a list of all our ingredients that are a powder. Still quite a few, so maybe filter by something else, maybe last modified. You can see this is a date field. We can just click on this month and find those items that were edited in the last month. The results of a view are a series of records. If you click on a line, it will take you to that full record. Let's have a look inside black pepper. Simply click on a row to view the full record. If you're working through a list of ingredients, then you can use the arrows to navigate backwards and forwards. As you can see, we have the important information at the top before there are a series of tabs. Some of the tabs have numbers or an arrow, which indicates there's more information. In this case, we can see we have 3 suppliers. Or next to the spec, we can get access to see the nutrition information. Underneath the tabs are a series of blocks that show detail. You can contract and expand each block as you need. And underneath all the blocks is history, where you get a record of all the changes that have occurred. This is an option button. Clicking on it, you can see the page is reloaded, and it's now only showing relevant information to the selected option. We have text boxes allowing you to enter information. A green line has meant that information has been saved, so there's no need for you to press the save button. The system will give you an error message if you've entered invalid information. You may have noticed a question mark next to some of these fields. You can either hover or click on an item and it will show you some information that is specific to that field. Underneath, we have a notes block, which will allow you to add a comment about this particular item. Just press the add comment button. Now let's navigate back to the front screen. There are several ways. The quickest way is to press the home screen. That will take us all the way back. Alternatively, we can step back one at a time. Landing back on the home page. And as you can see in our comment stream, we have our latest comment. If you click on a comment, it will take you directly to that item. As you can see, this comment was made against black pepper again. There are other ways of navigating about the system. At the top, we have the triangle, which hides the recent items, which we can use to get back to items we were previously looking at. We were looking at the specification of black pepper and specifically the nutrition. And here we are. Lastly, if you'd like to get more resource and help, there is Agile Space. This opens up in a new tab in your browser and you have access to all the help and user guides. Thank you for listening.